Hey everybody, I'm the Gulf Coast Granny and welcome back to my kitchen table. Today I'm about to show you something that's going to change your life. Well, your gardening life. It's all about organizing your seeds. You know, I used to keep my seeds in this photo box. But then, as I was planting my fall garden, I was going through all my seeds and I'm just going through packet after packet and everything was getting mixed up. The seeds were falling out, and I thought there's got to be a better way than this because this is just chaos. So, I ordered myself this little gem. When I first started searching for seed organizing boxes, they were like $20 and $30 and $40, and I'm like, there is no way I'm spending that kind of money for something to store my seeds in. It was crazy. So, the first thing I thought of to try to organize them is like baseball card sleeves. I've got boys, so I know all about those. But they're too small. So, when I was explaining what I wanted to do to Poppy, he said, well, what about a CD case? I said, hot dog, that's genius. So I ordered this, and let me show you what I did. I just took, let me show you something. See these little dots? You can get them super cheap. I've had these for years. So what I did was I just wrote on the dot what category of seeds I wanted on there, and then I stuck another dot on the back so it would stick to the plastic. Now, is this the most efficient way to do it? Maybe not, but it's the cheapest way because it's something I already had. If you wanted to go further and get the office type of tabs, you could do that, and I might if these start falling off. The only thing I have left to organize now is my tomatoes, and I'm going to do that in a little bit. But I just had to share this with y'all because I love it. The seeds fit. I can put more than one seed packet in each thing if I want to. Now, I did alphabetize the categories, but I didn't alphabetize the seeds. I just went in and filled up slots. But this was a really easy and affordable way to organize seeds. I only paid $11.97 for this CD case on Amazon. So I'm real happy with this. I can keep everything I want right here and zip it up, and the seeds don't fall out. And you know, another thing I learned is if you have a pack of open seeds that you didn't use all the seeds for, just take one of them little dots and stick it on the back like that, and it'll keep it closed. So what do you think of that? I think that could be totally helpful for somebody who's on a budget or who just wants some easy organization. There's one more thing I want to talk to y'all about, and that is this thing that I printed out. This is from MarysHeirloomSeeds.com. Now, I don't know Mary, but Mary had a good idea. What she did was she went zone by zone in her blog. She's got a page up, and you can click on your zone, and she has listed every month and all the vegetables that can grow during that month for your zone. Now, mind you, this is a guideline. If you wanted to play it by the book, you could plant during these months and probably be pretty successful. I'm going to give you, for instance, it says, what month are we in? July? For zone 9, it says, for July, I can plant eggplant, okra, southern peas, and watermelon. That's it. But for August, it says arugula, bush beans, broccoli, cauliflower, chives, collards, corn, cucumber, bunchen onions, all the way down to turnips. So I have found, after reading through this for my zone, that this is pretty darned accurate. Now again, this is a guideline. I'm in zone 9. If I got my tomatoes in late and waited till September or October, I could go ahead and plant them and keep my fingers crossed that a freeze wouldn't kill them off. But these are very, very good guidelines. Very good. So if you need some encouragement or some guidance as to what to plant in your zone month by month, go to marysheirloomseeds.com. Find her vegetable planting guide. Click on your zone and it will come up and print it off. What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to fold it up and put it right in the front of this so that way all of this information is accessible to me, because I get confused sometimes. I'll get focused in on tomatoes and then I'll forget to put my cucumbers in. And having it written down and all in one spot like that is a wonderful thing for me. So I know it's going to help somebody else, especially new gardeners and beginners. Look, if I've been gardening for almost 20 years. If it'll work for me and help me, I know it'll help a beginner. So I got a lot of things coming up on my channel this week. I'm going to be doing some things in the kitchen, and I got a garden tour to do, and I've got some new fancy things for the garden I want you to see. So hit the like button, leave me a comment below, share the video with one of your friends if you think it'll help them, and please encourage folks to subscribe to my channel so it can grow, okay? Y'all have a great day, and I'll talk to you again real soon, all right?